Hey guys and welcome back. In today's video we'll be solving another popular SQL problem. So let's get right into it. Hey, now we have a table. We have two tables. So the first table is employee. Now in the employee table, if you look at a schema, we have the employee ID, which is an integer type, the name, which is varchar, supervisor integer, and salary integer. Employee ID is a column with unique values for this table, meaning employee ID is the primary key of this table. Each row of this table indicates the name and ID of an employee in addition to the salary and the ID of the manager. Now the second table, which is the bonus table. Now let's take a look at the schema. So we have two columns, the employee ID and the bonus. So the employee ID has type integer and the bonus column has a type int again. Now employee ID is the column of unique values for this table, and employee ID is a foreign key, reference column to employee ID from the employee table. If you remember in one of my videos, I remember explaining, like briefly explaining the primary foreign key concept, where the foreign key points to the primary key for another table. So that's exactly what it's doing here. So the employee ID in the bonus table is a foreign key which is pointing to the primary key of the employee table, which is employee ID. So I hope that's clear. So let's continue. Each row of this table contains the ID of an employee and the respective bonus. Write a solution to report the name and bonus amount of each employee with a bonus less than 1000. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. So let's take a look at the input tables. So we have the employee table. We have the employee ID, name, supervisor, salary. Alright, then we have the bonus table. So here we have the employee ID and how much bonus are they getting. So this is the expected output. So we have Brad and John who do not get any bonuses since their bonus is null. And we have Dan who's getting a bonus of 500. If you look at the tables here, we can see that Brad and John are null because they are not getting any bonuses. Only employees 2 and 4 get bonus, which is Dan and Thomas, right? But Dan, but Dan gets a salary of less than 1000, and Thomas gets a salary of more than 1000. So that's why Dan is there in the output, since Dan is getting a bonus less than 1000, which is 500. So I hope you have understood the problem statement. Now let's go ahead and construct our SQL query. So select a dot name, comma a dot emp id, comma b dot bonus from employee as a left outer join, bonus as b on a dot emp id equals b dot emp id. All right, so let's run the query. Just give it a sec. Voila. So as you can see, we have got this output. Now we're getting the employees who are getting bonuses as well, and we are getting the employees who do not get bonuses as well. So that is the thing about left outer join, right? It returns the common records as well as records of A which are not present in B. So that is the advantage of using a left outer join for these kind of questions. Now I'm going to add an OR condition to my filtering clause. So what I'm trying to achieve is, since there are employees who do not get a bonus, so even they are going to fall in this category, right? With a bonus less than 1000, since they do not get a bonus, so even they fall in the category. So I'm going to add a OR condition where I specify that where the bonus is null or the bonus is less than 1000. So it should give me back this output. Now what I'm going to do is, for better code readability, I'm going to put this within a comma table expression. And now I'll continue with the query. So select name from CTE where bonus is null or bonus is less than 1000, right? So let's run the query. Oh, my bad. Oh, my bad. So I should include the bonus as well. Okay. Yeah. Now let's run the query one more time. All right. So this is the output. Dan, bonus 500, less than 1000. John and Brad. So it matches the expected output. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye.